The traditional real estate market is not for every seller or every property. Every seller has their own different situation, and placing your home on the market might not be for you. In this video right here, I'm going to give you 3 different ways on how to sell your house without actually having to place your home on the market. The first unconventional way is rent to own. And basically what you're doing is you're renting out your home for a year, sometimes even 2 years. And in that contract, there's a clause that basically says that this buyer is going to be able to purchase this house at the end of whatever the term is. And the reason why this is great for you is because if you're negative or underwater on your equity, then you don't have to sell right then and there. You can let appreciation work in your favor while you're still getting that cash flow. And for the buyer is that a lot of times these buyers aren't able to actually qualify because their credit isn't as good at the time, but you'll be able to let them go through some type of credit repair. And by the end of it, they should be able to qualify for that house. The second one is called for sale by owner. And the reason why this is so great is because you're able to skip listing your home on the MLS, and you can still try to get the most out of it basically by putting it on Zillow, Redfin, and there's a lot of different other like websites that you could place it on just so you can get more eyes on it. Facebook Marketplace is a good place as well. And basically all you're doing is you're the one that's actually selling your home, you're the one that's taking pictures of your home, and you're the one that is marketing your home. And this is a great time to do that as well because the market is still pretty hot and a lot of people are looking for homes. And the last unconventional way, but this might be the easiest, is just working with a direct home buyer. And what they'll do is they'll purchase your home as is, no repairs needed, and they'll give you a price usually that works for both them and for you, so you can move forward and take whatever equity that you have in that home and move it to whatever else you need to do, such as maybe paying off credit cards or even purchasing a brand new house. Now, I hope that these tips helped you. And if you are looking to sell your home to a direct home buyer, you can reach out to us today. Go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com, and we'll work with you to get the best price possible and help you move forward.